Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be trying a frozen pizza in the NuWave Primo combo grill oven. And we're going to see how well the NuWave Primo, this grill oven grill combo, does with a frozen pizza. We're going to get started on that right now. Alright, so here's the pizza of the day. DiGiorno bacon and cheese stuffed crust. It's a chicken bacon and ranch rumble pizza, grilled white meat chicken, applewood smoked bacon over a ranch sauce with a bacon and cheese stuffed crust. Sounds yummy. So let's try and cook it up. It's fully frozen, and we've got our NuWave Primo here. We're going to just put this right on the grill plate. We're not going to do any type of preheat or any of that stuff. And get this open as soon as I can get it ripped. There we go. I just rip this further there and making sure there's no cardboard underneath. So fully frozen pizza. Put it right there on the grill plate. You see it fits with some room to spare. Going to put the dome and power head. Dome with the power head on it for the Primo, and basically I'm going to just do a straight running cook here. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to set, using my top bottom, I'm going to set my top heating element down to 30, and I have the bottom at 70. You can't go any further than 30-70 either way. So like if I go up, actually if I go up, I could go up to full power and have a full power heat from the top down to the bottom 0, but when I go down, the top has no lower than 30 with the bottom at 70. So we're going to do that, 70% at the bottom, heating it mostly from the bottom, 30% from the top. I'm going to set the temperature, hitting temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as far hot as I can go. Going to hit time temp again. I'm going to, although it may just take 15, I'm going to set it to 20. You know, maybe it'll take 15, maybe it'll take 20, but who knows how long it'll take. We'll find out. If we were using a conventional oven, we'd have to set to 400 degrees and we'd go 18 to 20 minutes. So will this go, much faster than a conventional oven, slower than a conventional oven? We will find out right now as I hit start, and I'll bring you back when this looks good and done. Alright, we're 11 minutes into this cook, and I'm seeing smoke emanating from the vent holes. There's like bubbling going on there, which is kind of neat, seeing that bubbling going on with the pizza, but I'm getting a good bit of smoke coming out of there. I think that bottom's cooking pretty hard. We'll see what happens if my smoke alarms get triggered or not, but I'm going to let this cook for another minute or two, and I'll probably stop it because it's looking like it's near done anyway. It's interesting seeing what the fan action is doing to those bubbles as things kind of bubble up. So having that 70% on the bottom is really causing things to cook up pretty hard here. I'm going to stop it in a moment. It's been going for 12 minutes now. It's almost to my liking. I'm going to let that top get a little more brown, and then I'm going to stop it. Okay, it's been going for about 13 minutes. I think I'm going to let it stop here. I think it's at my done this level of preference, so just going to turn it off. 13 minutes. Getting a lot of smoke coming out of there, by the way. So going to go ahead and just lift the lid off. A lot of steam. It's best to make sure that you're lifting that lid away from you so that you don't get burnt up with that lid. Going to take my pizza peel here and try and get this pizza off. It looks pretty nice though. Just going to get in there and just slide it off right onto my pizza peel. And so my smoke alarms have not been triggered yet, thank God. Going to go ahead and slice. It's getting a nice crunch as I slice through there. See that crunch on the bottom? I think we got a nice crunchy crust on this one. Alright, gonna get a plate. Alright, so got myself a plate. Going to take a slice, put it on there. You can see it's very well cooked. My smoke alarms are starting to go off now from the smoke.
There's smoke.
We'll see if that clears. But I'll bring you back for a taste test in a moment. Alright, here's our pizza from the NuWave Primo grill oven. Bottom is very well cooked. Bottom's burnt even. Overcooked bottom. So let's do a taste though. Crust is nice and crispy, a little overcooked but crispy, kind of like from a grill. So it does give that grill effect, like coming off of a grill, but it's an indoor oven grill combo. So it does give that effect of cooking like cooking a pizza on a grill. And I've cooked plenty of pizzas on a grill. It's just like a pizza off a grill. You're going to have a bottom that's a bit overcooked, and the top's going to be nicely done. So it does give that grill type of effect cooking the pizza, and it cooked it from frozen in about 13 minutes, which is pretty good time. Only issue we have here, smoke. We had lots of smoke. The smoke alarms never actually fully triggered. They did kind of do a warning. They kind of do a warning and they can go into a full alarm if they feel that it's really bad. Didn't go into a full alarm, but they did get into a warning state because of all that smoke that was emanating from the NuWave Primo. You're not supposed to cover those vent holes at all. You leave those uncovered, it's supposed to vent. So, this is kind of a, if you do a pizza, you got to kind of weigh your options, what you're going to do as far as the smoke concern. You probably can adjust maybe cooking the bottom a little lower, and then maybe you're going to probably overcook your top. So, I look forward to your comments. Maybe some of you have some great ideas. I probably could have used like the rack, the kind of rack that I've shown in the review, and put the pizza on that rack, but then you don't get the same type of really well cooked pizza crust bottom that you get by just putting it right there on that rack bottom. So a lot of options to weigh here, a lot of things to think over. And so there'll be this and other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Ever want to come to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com, Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.